Hi, this is Smita Deo and welcome to Get Curried. Today let's see how to make a desi style Kalimirch prawns which you can have for your weekend parties. Let's heat 2 tablespoons of sesame seed oil. And once the oil is hot, I'm going to add 1 inch of cinnamon stick, 3 green cardamoms and 3 cloves, 5 dried chilies which I have broken. Just let's fry them crisp for a few seconds. And I'm going to add 2 large onions that I have sliced here. We have to saute these onions till they are soft and translucent. The onions have cooked nice and soft. I'm going to add a sprig of curry leaves to this, a teaspoon of garlic paste, a teaspoon of ginger paste. Just let's saute this till the raw smell of the ginger garlic is gone. I'm going to add half a kg of shelled and deveined prawns. Mix this well. Add half a teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, some salt. Mix this well. And now we are going to add the main ingredient of this recipe, which is the peppers. Here I have freshly ground peppers. So I'm going to take a teaspoon of this, and the flavor of this dish and the spiciness of this dish is going to come from these peppers. So a teaspoon of this. Let's mix this well. Prawns usually do not take a very long time to cook, just 5 to 6 minutes. The prawns are almost done, another minute for it to cook. I'm going to add another teaspoon of pepper powder, a sprig of curry leaves. Give it a final stir. The prawns have curled up beautifully, which means they have cooked and they've also turned opaque. Let's shut the flame, wait for 2 minutes, let this cool down slightly, and then we'll add juice of half a lemon. 2 minutes are done. Let's add the lemon juice. Mix this. And our Kalimirch prawns are ready to be served. You can serve this as a starter for your parties, or you can have this with simple chapatis or neer dosa or any bread of your choice. Do try the simple recipe and let me know. Keep watching Get Curried.